This snack, besides being healthy and nutritious, is very tasty. Take 100 grams of broccoli and start by removing the stem. Chop the rest. Then chop a carrot as well. Grab a bowl and add the broccoli, carrot, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and 3 eggs. Season to taste with salt, black pepper, and paprika. Mix well until everything is combined. That looks great. Now in a skillet, add a drizzle of olive oil. Add the mixture right away. Spread it evenly in the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes. Then just flip it and let it finish cooking for another 3 minutes. And it's ready. A practical, healthy, and nutrient-packed snack. The combination is perfect, making this dish excellent for any meal of the day. If you like this recipe, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with us in the comments what you thought or how you would customize it. See you next time.